Most people use LED strip lights wrong. This is how they're supposed to look. All right, this is the Govee Strip Light 2 Pro. And this is probably one of the easiest, underrated things you can add to your house. Everything you need is right here in the box. You get the strip light, a power supply, controller, and this is the 608. If it doesn't light up, I'm not interested. Here's what most people don't realize. The Strip 2 Pro can be cut every 6 LEDs. The scissor markings show you where you can cut, or you can cut on the silver solder pads. You can cut these to fit your exact setup. And at these silver pads, you can reconnect them. This is all just strip lighting. No built-ins, no crazy custom wiring, just done the right way. So instead of forcing your space to fit the strip, you make the strip fit your space. You can run these up to 32.8 feet and calibrate it so everything still lines up in the app. This is where these actually shine. Cabinets, shelves, built-ins, anywhere you want lighting to look like it was supposed to be there. And please, don't just stick them somewhere and call it done. Hide them so you can't see all the hot spots. And these are Govee, so of course they do this. And that. And this again. That is, if you like that sort of thing. This is one of the easiest upgrades you can make, and it actually looks good. Start here.